US tech giants have really claimed supremacy in the AI race. DeepSeek is really making them question that narrative.
The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call.
January 27th, 2025 may go down in history as DeepSeek Day.
DeepSeek shaking up global tech.
NVIDIA losing nearly $600 billion in market cap today alone.
On March 25th, 2025, DeepSeek unleashed its V3-0324 upgrade, sending shockwaves through the AI world. What if China's own DeepSeek is now stepping up to challenge Western AI giants like OpenAI with a single groundbreaking model? This is a bold statement in the AI race. Let's break down how DeepSeek's V3 is shaking up the global competition. DeepSeek V3-0324 brings some major upgrades that make it stand out in the crowded world of AI. The first of these is the expanded model parameters. The number of parameters has jumped from 671 billion to 685 billion. Now, that may sound like just a few extra numbers, but it actually allows the model to generate more nuanced, detailed responses. Think of parameters as the building blocks that help AI understand and process the world. More parameters mean the model can tackle more sophisticated queries, make better decisions, and give you more accurate answers, whether you're asking a simple question or something complex. Then, there's the extended context window. With a massive 128K tokens, this model can handle far more information at once than previous versions. In simpler terms, it can remember and work with way more details over a long conversation. This matters a lot for tasks like document analysis or data retrieval, where you need the model to understand a lot of context before making a decision or providing an answer. Whether you're working on a huge project or just having a long chat with the AI, this upgrade makes the experience smoother and more reliable. Now let's talk about some serious performance upgrades. The benchmarks show some big improvements, particularly in reasoning and coding tasks. The MMLU Pro score, a measure of its general reasoning ability, has jumped from 75.9 to 81.2, showing a solid increase in its ability to understand and solve problems. GPQA, which tests the AI's general question answering abilities, improved from 59.1 to 68.4, making it more reliable when answering complex questions. The AIME score, focused on AI's ability to understand tasks in different contexts, went up from 39.6 to 59.4, a huge improvement. And for coding tasks, the live code bench score rose from 39.2 to 49.2, meaning DeepSeek can now handle code-related queries with more precision and speed. This performance boost gives DeepSeek a significant edge, especially for tasks requiring deep thinking and technical understanding. Finally, there's the improvement in function calling. This means the model now integrates better with external systems, making it more effective at retrieving data or interacting with other software. This fix smoothens the overall AI experience and makes it even more useful in practical applications. Whether you need data from an external source or just want a model that plays well with others, this is a welcome upgrade. These new features are just the beginning, but there's even more cutting-edge technology in play with V3-0324. The DeepSeek V3-0324 introduces some powerful technologies that make it stand out from the competition. One of the key innovations is the Multi-head Latent Attention MLA architecture. This system helps the model pay attention to different parts of the input at the same time, improving its ability to process and understand complex information. It's like the model can multitask, focusing on various aspects of your request simultaneously, making it more efficient and accurate. On top of that, DeepSeek V3-0324 introduces Mixture of Experts, MOE. MOE is all about efficiency. The model doesn't use all of its resources all the time. It activates only the most relevant parts of the network for each task. This makes the AI faster and more efficient, using less energy when it's not necessary, and boosting performance when it's needed most. It's a dynamic system that adjusts itself to meet your needs in real time. Another standout feature is multi-token prediction, MTP. This allows the model to predict several tokens at once instead of one by one. Why does this matter? Well, it means DeepSeek can process information more quickly and with greater accuracy. When you ask for a complex answer or request, the AI can now give you a faster and more precise response by predicting multiple pieces of the response in parallel. This drastically cuts down on inference time and boosts overall performance. These technological improvements mean DeepSeek v3-0324 is now a lot more efficient, faster, and powerful. It's not just about handling your requests better. It's able to leap ahead of competitors, especially in areas like reasoning and coding, where it's showing superior results. These upgrades make DeepSeek an even stronger player in the AI race. Next, we'll look at the impact of these innovations on how DeepSeek is pushing the boundaries of AI. The release of DeepSeek v3-0324 has shaken the AI industry in a big way. The global reaction has been mixed, especially in the US, where some tech stocks experienced a slight dip. There are concerns that DeepSeek's rapid advancements could give China a significant edge in the AI race. As the US tech giants continue to push forward, DeepSeek's improvements and the backing of China's growing tech sector raise questions about the future global balance of power in AI. This shift is prompting many to closely monitor how these advancements may change the landscape of artificial intelligence worldwide. One of the most significant moves from DeepSeek is its decision to switch to an MIT open-source license. This change is huge. By making the model open source, it becomes accessible to a wider range of developers, companies, and researchers around the world. It lowers the barrier to entry for anyone looking to work with DeepSeek, sparking more innovation and encouraging global collaboration. Additionally, the shift to an MIT license opens the door for local deployment, especially in edge applications. This means companies and developers can run DeepSeek's models on their own infrastructure without relying on cloud services. It boosts accessibility, especially in regions where cloud access may be limited, and allows for more tailored use of the AI model in specific markets. This shift makes DeepSeek a more powerful tool for businesses, from startups to global enterprises, as it expands its reach and availability. This shift isn't only affecting AI tech, it's reshaping the global landscape. Let's see how it's playing out worldwide. DeepSeek v3-0324 is now firmly in the spotlight, standing shoulder to shoulder with AI giants like Gemini 2.0 Pro and Claude 3.7 Sonnet. In areas like mathematical reasoning and coding, DeepSeek has pushed ahead, establishing itself as a strong contender in the non-reasoning AI space. Its improvements in these specific fields make it a fierce competitor, shifting the landscape of what's possible in AI. Where other models may fall short, DeepSeek shines, giving it a significant edge, particularly for tasks that require deep technical reasoning or complex programming. Looking to the future, DeepSeek R2 is the next big thing on the horizon. Slated for release later in 2025, this next-generation model is already creating a buzz. While details are still scarce, the improvements will likely push the boundaries even further. Given DeepSeek's rapid pace of advancement, R2 promises to take the AI race to new levels, setting higher standards for general-purpose AI. It's clear that DeepSeek is not content with being just a competitor. It's gunning for the top spot in the industry, aiming to lead in a variety of AI applications. The pressure is on for its rivals as DeepSeek continues to innovate and push the limits of what's possible. Beyond the tech, China's strategy and ambitions are driving big changes in the AI world. Here's what's next. China has been making bold moves in the AI sector, positioning it as a key area for future growth. The government's focus on AI as a strategic sector signals the country's ambition to challenge the West's historical dominance in this field. DeepSeek's success is a clear indicator of China's growing AI prowess, with local governments offering support to fuel innovation and drive economic transformation. This is more than just tech development. It's part of a broader vision to reshape the global landscape. The Chinese military is also showing interest in DeepSeek's AI, exploring its potential for non-combat applications like medical diagnostics. The possibility of using DeepSeek for tasks such as drone control or satellite analysis hints at the military's growing reliance on AI for strategic operations. However, DeepSeek's rise isn't without its challenges. The earlier versions of the model faced criticism regarding safety, security, and ethical issues. These concerns raise important questions about the potential risks of AI development. Has DeepSeek addressed these issues in v3.0324? The answers remain unclear, leaving room for speculation about what improvements, if any, have been made to ensure safety and accountability. So, what do you think? Can DeepSeek truly rival the biggest players in AI, or will it face more hurdles down the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.